Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here, and my second line of sight fun flight Yak 130 from FMS 70mm EDF jets. This is maiden flight, so wish us luck. I hope the CG is right, because I tried my best for the CG to be right. We'll find out very soon. So it turns to the right. The rudder needs to be adjusted. Okay, we are ready for takeoff. Here we go. Okay, that was nice. CG is right. I think we are just way too close to power lines to make sense. It actually scares me. It's not as fast as my 90mm Viper used to be, but it looks beautiful in the air and it flies really nice and smooth. Track's nice, good. And it's kind of quiet as well, not too noisy EDF. Otherwise, some of the 70mm EDF I have met were extremely noisy. This shows that FMS really has improved the game, and they have properly balanced the EDF actually. So I'm gonna make a long circle, okay? And you can zoom onto it. There you go, that's your zoom shot. Has a very nice climb rate. It is definitely not an underpowered plane. Definitely not underpowered. There's plenty of power. I gotta up my game, man. I gotta get back to that inverted flights, inverted passes. I used to do that on these. I gotta get back to that thing again. Look, inverted flight. Gotta do that again. I gotta get my line of sight, manual flight skills back. You know, flying FPV with those stabilized, assisted autopilot systems, it just takes away all your skills. All right, landing gear down because it's an EDF, so I'm gonna have to land quicker, not to bloat my little Alone 6S battery. Whoa, I came in very hot. It's not gonna stop. Come on. It's gonna take very long to stop. Ooh, I gotta install my homemade braking system for these landing gears. I must do that. I believe mommy have missed the landing, right?
Try again?
Alright, I can try again. It will come really fast. What a sweet bird to fly. I'm glad I chose both of these FMS birds. They are really, really sweet to fly. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button.